Why small steps lead to big success. Life often feels overwhelming when we look at the big goals we want to achieve. Whether it's building a career, getting fit, learning a new skill, or starting a business, the journey ahead can look like a mountain too high to climb. Many people quit before they even begin because the end goal feels impossible. But the truth is, big success doesn't come overnight. It comes from small, consistent steps taken every single day. When we focus on the big picture, it's easy to get discouraged and feel like we're not making enough progress. But if we zoom out and look at the path in front of us, we can see that success is made up of countless little victories. Every small step we take brings us closer to our goal. So if you're feeling stuck, remember to celebrate the small wins and keep moving forward. Before you know it, you'll be on your way to achieving your big dreams. Don't forget to follow 4 more tips on how to be successful.